everybody, welcome back to the Cookbook Kitchen. This is the home of cookbook recipes and I am Carol. Welcome to today's video. And today's video, guys, is from Baked to Perfection. I know you know this book. We've cooked from it a couple of times, and today's video will come from this book. We will try and make chocolate chip banana bread. Hey, it looks so yummy. It looks really nice. This is the first time that I'm trying out this particular recipe, so I can't wait to try it out. So karibu, let's see what you're working with today, and we begin the video. We have some mashed bananas, we have some eggs, this is almond flour, this is a monk fruit sweetener, and this is the gluten-free flour blend, some chocolate chips, of course. I have some unsalted melted butter, and then on this plate I have a couple of things. This is some baking powder, baking soda, some xanthan gum, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some salt. So that's what we are working with today for this particular recipe. So let's begin the cooking process. Of course, our oven is preheating as we begin. So we'll start by mixing our monk fruit sweetener. The book says that we use some light brown sugar, so that's why I opted for the brown monk fruit sweetener. Then the butter. So the book says that we mix them until they become pale and fluffy. I think I'm going to leave it at that because we're using monk fruit and the book is using sugar, so I hope this is okay. I hope this is fine. So the next step, we're going to add our bananas, the eggs, and guys, I forgot to tell you, we need some vanilla bean paste. So our eggs, the bananas. So the next step, we are going to sift our flour and the xanthan gum, the baking sodas, all this, everything that is in the plate. The gluten-free flour blend. Then the almond flour. Now we mix. Then lastly, we are going to put in our chocolate chips, but we're going to reserve some to sprinkle on top. I think this is ready. This is the tin I'm using. It's a 900 grams. Where? Yes, it's 900 grams, and that's what the book says. 900 grams loaf tin. So we are going to pour our mixture over here. And then we sprinkle. So we are going to bake for 1 hour, and then we'll be back when it's ready. So guys, moment of truth. We are here. Our chocolate chip banana bread has been out of the oven for some time and it has cooled down a bit. It's not yet cold. It's a bit warm, but we need to taste and see. Mine is dark, unlike the photo in the book, but let's taste. Moment of truth. So here we go. Wow, my people, this is the chocolate chip banana recipe that you need in your house. This is the one that you need in your house. I thought switching the whatever, the sugar, because the book says that we should use brown soft sugar, and I was using more fruit sweetener, and I thought it would not be nice, but whoa. The bread is breading, the chocolate chips are, wow. Guys, this is a chocolate chip banana recipe that you need. This is it. Whoa, it's yummy. It has a really nice bread texture. That's really surprising there. And the chocolate chips. Ooh. In short, the bread is breading. The banana is, everything is just incorporating so well. I thought because it was so dark that it had whatever, what do you call it? Mongua. What is Kongo in English? It has burnt. But it has not. Yeah, my people. Oh. So don't worry if yours becomes a little bit darker than the book. As you've seen, mine is a bit dark. And it's not that it doesn't have the taste of the bread is burnt. It doesn't. So try out this recipe, guys. Don't forget, it's from Baked to Perfection, and our chocolate chip banana bread is baked to perfection, guys. This this is making me so happy. And this is the first time I've tried out this recipe, so it's not like I tried out the recipe before then I came to show you guys. This is the first time I have tried it and it has come out nicely. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye and God bless.